Hi everyone, welcome back to Magnifica Core Crafts YouTube channel. Today we are working on the bracelets. You can see some of them here. We are working on these bracelets. This is the one we're still working on. Here is another one. Here is another one. Very beautiful and colorful. You could make it multiple colors or just one, like we have this yellow now. You can see we have made it with the bead. So what you need for this project, you need your rope, either one or colored. You need your scissors. You need your clip to hold your work in place. You need your lighter, and then you need the beads. It depends on the color you're choosing. Now we are going into the project. So what we have here is what I want to do here now. So you're going to follow me and see how we're going to make it. You need 4 ropes, as I've said. Now I'm using green and red. So I have green on the left hand and red on the right hand side. Then I have 2 in the middle, 4 ropes in all. So the first thing you do is to place this. You have a kind of a B shape like that. You bring it in here, you pull it out like this. The same thing you will do here. You have your B facing the left like that. You pull it out this way. Then you do the same thing here. You pull it out. You do the same thing. You can see we'll be alternating. So you can see what we are doing now. This is how you are going to continue. We continue the process. Now that we are done with the pattern, we have our pattern already. Remember, we have 4 ropes. The 2 in the middle, you are going to cut it and burn. Cut it this way. You're going to burn it that way. You do the same at the other side. Now, after you have burnt the middle, you have 2 ropes on either edge. So you're going to fold it this way, and you're going to, for this, you need something like 70 cm. You put it in here like this. Then you make a kind of a square knot. This way. Then you do another one. You just make your square knot. Then you come this way. Make another square knot. So you can see what we're doing. Make another one. Now when we are done with our square knot in the middle here, you are going to burn it on the both edges. I've already done that. You cut it off and burn it. After that, you have this. Now we are going to put our bead in here. You put it in. For the second one too, you fix in the bead. If it's not going through, you just kind of burn them out. So after fixing our bead, the next thing is to cut off the edges that we don't need. You cut it this way, cut it this way, then you burn it. You do the same thing here. So you can see we have it on both. This is it. If you pull it this way, you have it like this. So we'll put it on for us to see. Now we are done. You can see the final product. This is the bracelet. You can make it one color, you can make it various colors. So beautiful and easy to make. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe, press the button so that you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you so much. See you in our next video.